I got a new carnivorous plant. First, take a look at the general Venus flytrap. And here is the Venus flytrap I just purchased. The part that captures insects is very distinctive, and there's more to this Venus flytrap. This part is covered with protrusions. When I saw this, I was very interested. At the same time, I was very happy to find it. Now let's repot this Venus flytrap. Take it out of the flower pot. And wash off the old soil with water. After removing the soil, I also removed the blackened parts. The plant is now clean. This time, I will use a slightly higher pot. This time, I will use sphagnum for repotting. Put some sphagnum in this flower pot, then make a dent in the center. Then, wrap the roots of Venus flytrap in the sphagnum. Plant it so that it is centered. Put the sphagnum in the gap between the roots and the sphagnum. Then water the top and finish the repotting. I was able to plant it in the center of the plant. I will make a video of the growth of Venus flytrap in the future. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a high rating. What kind of Venus flytrap are you growing? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.